This compact machine is one of the most versatile tools in farming and construction. It's called a skid steer loader. Small, powerful, and able to spin on the spot. Farmers use it for land leveling and moving soil. Cities use it for cleaning streets and building parks. In winter, it clears snow in minutes. And with attachments, it can even lift pallets or drill holes. With over 20 attachments, one skid steer can replace several machines. First built in 1957, skid steers are now made in the US, Germany, Japan, and China. Today, North America alone accounts for nearly half the global demand, with the US importing more than 10,000 units every year. From farms to cities, the skid steer has become every worker's extra pair of hands. Want to learn about more powerful machines? Don't miss our next video.